want you to cry. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So today is Vlogtober day 11. So I just wanted to come and open up this vlog. I wasn't going to vlog today, but I was like, I have some footage that I recorded earlier this week. So I was like, I'm just gonna pop in, say hey to y'all, and we're gonna get into the video. I did like a morning routine, and then we're gonna get into cooking some, what did I cook? Beef stew. We're gonna get into cooking some beef stew. And yeah, I know y'all like it when I cook. Whew. Excuse me. I know y'all like it when I cook. And yeah. So today is just one of those days for me today. But I'm not up doing anything. Like I said, I have just some footage that I recorded for you all earlier in the week. So this week, what we're gonna get into in this video, it was something else that I wanted to tell y'all. Oh, so what's the name? Judith. So Judith always tell me in the comments, she always say, hey, she have a J and she have Momo, right? And she have the J for Jemonica, and then she has Momo because over on the main channel, Meech and Monica, that's what that's what I call myself Momo a lot of times. So I was thinking to myself, I think that's gonna be our little name on here. Jemomos. Okay. So I was like, I wanted to tell y'all, I think that's what we're gonna be called on this channel. Whew. Y'all, excuse me. I took some medicine, so it makes me a little sleepy. But I was thinking, like, I think that's what we are gonna be called over here because I like it. It's cute. It gives us our own little name over here. So, good morning, Jemomos. Hey, welcome back to the channel, Jemomos. So, yeah, I think that's what we gonna be called over here. How y'all like that, Jemomos? I like that. So, thank you, Judith. I'm gonna put your comment on the screen because, like I said, every time she comments, that's what she put in the comments. So, thank you, Judith. So I think that's gonna be it. We're gonna get into this video. I am gonna start my morning off, of course, getting y'all nephew together, y'all furry nephew together, and then we're gonna get into cooking, y'all. So this is gonna be just a nice, relaxing vlog, but I at least wanted to come in so y'all can see my face before we get into this video. And as always, y'all know I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all, I am a whole mess today. But I know that you all tell me all of the time y'all don't care y'all don't care what kind of footage I put out. Y'all tell me that y'all will watch and y'all enjoy it. So I know that y'all will enjoy this video. And let's get into this video. And once again, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all make me feel so loved. When I read them comments, I'm like, oh my goodness, y'all make me feel so loved and appreciated. And I just, some of the things that some of y'all say, man, I just be like, man, like me? They talking about me? So I appreciate it, and trust me, it just does something to my heart when I read your comments, especially on my I don't know why my eyes keep watering, y'all. Especially on my down days, y'all really, really lift me up with your comments and your kind words. I love and appreciate each and every one of y'all.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Okay, y'all, so I have my beef stew meat, and here are all of the seasonings that I'm using. And I have some beef stock too. I don't have a lot, so we're gonna do beef stock and water, baby. Y'all see who waiting to eat?
Yep. How long is this gonna take?
What? Won't you take that trash out for me over there?
How long is it gonna take to cook?
About an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
Mm-hmm.
You said this is quick.
It is quick. And I'm gonna add some flour to this. Mix it up real good. put it into a hot pan, and oh, I need to get my onion. I need to get my onion too. I don't have any celery. I don't think I do. But I need to get some onion, cut that up, and then I'm gonna put that in there with the meat. Oh, y'all, I'm just talking to y'all and I ain't hit the record button, but look at that meat, y'all. Look at that meat. Don't it look good? I know it do. It's seasoned good. Hopefully it's gonna taste good. But anyway, let me finish mixing this meat, put my flour on it. I did remember that I had some juice
Why you
sauce.
need flour?
Huh?
Why you need flour? You gonna fry or something?
Yeah, you got the, yeah.
Oh,
You need to stay in here so you can learn.
You gotta fry. I thought you said it was like the roast. The roast, you gonna fry the roast? You just
Yes, you do. You fry it to get it brown, and then you steam it or let it. You know what I'm talking about. You cook it. But look at that, y'all. Look at that. Okay, let me finish. I can't be fooling around with y'all all day. Yeah, I forgot all about my Dutch oven, so I decided to switch it to my Dutch oven, and I also decided to put some more onions in here. Just a few more onions, and I'm gonna just leave them in these strips. Ooh, they cooking that meat. It was cooking good before, but it's really sizzling now. My husband, he gonna hurt himself on this. We hadn't had beef stew in a long time. So I'ma just keep browning this. And once I feel like, look at that. Look at how that Dutch oven browning is. Yes, honey. Yes, look at that, y'all. I don't know why I forgot about my dang gone Dutch oven. Because I always have it in my pull-out drawer instead of, you know, under the cabinet, but it's not room under the cabinet. But look at that, y'all. Looking at that. Okay, what I did was I took the au sauce, and instead of adding just water to this, I added the pack of that, which, you know, you don't need a whole lot of water, but I just added a whole lot of water. Oh, I just added a whole lot of water just to get that flavor in there, and that'll give it some flavor. But you don't want to, you know, add the amount that it's telling you, because you don't want it to be gravy. But I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. Well, let me see. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to that, and then we're gonna let it cook, honey.
I'll be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had, I'll be missing you, love. I'll be missing you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you and the two of us together. It felt so good for so long. It was you and me forever. Now you walk up.
Yeah, it was so easy to just get this crate out of the pantry and get some potatoes out. Ooh, I know it's not a lot of work to open the bag, but it was so easy to just get this potato out of this crate.
Get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
So I know we have potatoes in the beef stew, but I wanted to try something new. I'm sure it's already out there, but I have some onions and bell peppers. So you know how you take the potatoes, you know, like somebody is making breakfast potatoes. So I wanted to do that. I want to add the green beans in there too. So let's see how this is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my potatoes. I'm gonna saute these until they're done, and then I'll come back and show y'all how they look, and then we're gonna add the green beans. I feel like it's gonna be good, y'all.
Get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been